me Jules and welcome back to my channel. I am JULSZ TYMM and over here we have a good time all the time. Now I know it's been a minute and I have a very valid explanation of why I have been MIA. Now I know I keep on coming back to YouTube and going off YouTube. Listen, your girl has been, can we say I have been in a little bit of a tussle with YouTube? That is the real reason why I have come and gone, because there was some discrepancy regarding my YouTube channel, and I was going back and forth with them and I couldn't really come on YouTube because it would just be long. So I took my break, sorted it all out. To God be the glory, great things he has done, because that has all been handled professionally. So your girl is free as a bird again. So I am coming back like I never left, because your girl hasn't left. This is just an introductory video once again, just to say I'm coming back. My niche is slightly changing, so I'll always be doing vlogs because vlog is what created this channel, but I'm going to be venturing into the fragrance and the body care YouTube community, because your girl has got quite a large collection of fragrances, yeah? And when you look good and you smell good, everything is good. So with that being said, I'll be uploading hauls, so like fashion hauls, any type of hauls. I'll be doing reviews, so like your Netflix reviews, your Amazon Prime reviews, because me and hubby watch a lot of movies. And I'll also be doing reviews of perfumes, fragrances, Ella the toilet, Ella perfume, whatever your sis can get her hands on. So I want you guys to tell me what's your favorite fragrance, where you get your fragrances from, because this channel is about to be smelling all the way good. I'll be exploring different fragrances from around the world, from the UK, from everywhere. I've got a new video coming out very soon, so after you see this video you'll be seeing my first official fragrance video. Can I get a whoop whoop? So I'm very happy to say I am back. JULSZ is back, no matter what they try. Okay, they just cannot. So your girl is back. I'm happy to be back. From now you can expect 2 videos per week. I'm gonna keep up to that. 2 videos per week. I'll be giving you 2 videos per week. So remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, okay? And just stick with your girl. I am back. I am back. Some of you lovely ladies have said, oh JULSZ, you're not coming back to YouTube. JULSZ, I miss you. So JULSZ is back. But you know what JULSZ needs from you is a bit of cooperation. Do you know what I mean? So I need you to tell your friends, your family, your co-workers about this channel, because we are about to grow in all the communities, in the vlogging community, the fragrance community, the body care community. We are just going to be growing, okay? So this is just a little introductory video just to say hi. I hope you've all been keeping well. I hope you have all been healthy, happy. You've been living life. It's almost summer, so the whole body care aspect of the channel will come right in handy, because in summer you want to feel and you want to smell extra nice. So your girl has got you. There'll be special guests. Just stay tuned. You don't want to miss this revamp of this channel, right? Because I'm coming. I have arrived. I might even be doing a bit of Love Island review. If you're in America, I don't know if you watch Love Island, but in the UK we love our Love Island. So I'm gonna store everything on here. There's gonna be something for everyone. So if you don't like perfume, you're gonna like a vlog. If you don't like a vlog, you're gonna like the fashion haul. There's gonna be something for somebody, from everybody, okay? So with that being said, I'm JULSZ TYMM, and over here we have a good time all the time. I love you guys. Keep blessed, keep sweet, and just stay tuned. See you soon. Bye.